Well, basically, we are partnering with Gentry for almost 2 decades now, so very proud and honored to be here today. And especially in this new demo center where we do have here available for demonstration and test our NC25 washer just behind me and our stencil cleaner N29 SA4 just there. Gentry have been doing a fantastic job and are very famous and well known for their reliability testing, contaminometer, must, etc. But they also do represent MBTech for, as I said, almost 2 decades, and they are offering to the market our systems. And they can cover today almost all the needs along the SMT or the THT lines. So in terms of cleaning, we can cover with them the printing cleaning application with the N29 family, the defluxing application with the NC25 family, but also maintenance application with our MC200. And in addition, as a Gentry to cover distribution of the Zestron product, we have now a complete package offer here in the UK.